Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be showing you how to apply for the University of Sydney fully funded scholarships for session 2026-2027 in Australia for masters and PhD degree. This is open for international students. We'll show the full process for this. How do you apply? Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. You can also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. The link for this fully funded scholarship for University of Sydney is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective descriptions. Also, on Instagram, directly message our team, ask for the link, or check out the posts. Links are given there. On Instagram highlights, Instagram stories, links are also given there. And in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And once you click on them, it will take you to our website here. So here are some brief details about the University of Sydney scholarship. And this is Masters by Research and PhD open to international students. So you can apply for any of the research courses or Masters by Research courses or PhD courses, and then apply for this particular scholarship. So your step one is to apply for the admissions, and you will get a student number that you need to apply for this. That will be required to apply for this particular scholarship. So deadline for this scholarship is 11th of September 2026, and deadline for the research period 3 is and 4 is 18th of December 2026. So two deadlines are there, September and December, so you should apply within these scheduled deadline periods. So this is the basic simple application process there involved. You have a basic form. So the main important step is to apply for the masters first, and then simply fill out this form here. And there are certain benefits about this scholarship which will be as per this. So students will be receiving a living stipend of around $42,000 per year according to 2026 rate of Australian Sydney University. This will also include relocation allowances, thesis allowances. International students will also get overseas health insurance, and support will be for 3.5 years with a possible extension for PhD students up to 5 or 4 years. And you'll also gain knowledge about the advanced research facilities and academic resources. So you'll be working with the experienced supervisors and researchers. Documentation that you need to upload here and attach to the form will be or to the admission process will be your CV, transcripts, certificates and qualifications, research proposal, proof of English language proficiency. You can like medium of instruction or research experience documents. This is optional if you have any papers. Translation of documents if applicable and not in English language, then you need this. And the student number or IPU number, this will be available to you when you submit an admission to this university, and they'll be providing you this number here. These are required documentations and numbers. Then process is simple. You can connect with the research supervisor database, and if you are applying for PhD or research, you can contact the supervisor, ask them for your guidance, then simply follow their steps, submit the application, and then you can also enter the supervisor details in the form as well. So in order to start the application for this higher degree by research, you need to click on this link here. And once you click on that, it will open the University of Sydney research training program and equivalent university scholarships. This is the application form. So for applying for this, you need to have a first class of bachelor's degree or a research degree or master's. So minimum bachelor's degree is required here. So privacy collection notice is there. So there will be 11 pages to be filled. First is the current or new SDR student. So are you currently enrolled? So no. And we are just here. Have we have applied here? Have you applied for the admission? Yes. And now click on next. Type of student, select international, and indigenous origin, select yes, then click on next. Do you have a, let me go back one step here and see if we mention no, then what does appear? Okay, there's no such difference. So yes, indigenous is our same home country. Do you have a student number? No, we do not have. We have the IPU code that is received through the email when you submit the uh, admission letter here. So I'll mention that. Then you have to enter your full name, first name, last name, then email address, then click on next. Then you have to check here which incoming session you wish to apply. Get enrolled. So we'll be applying for this commencing from the October 2026. You can see international students, there is a deadline, domestic students, there is a separate deadline, and we'll be mentioning this RP1 2027, 12 October and 11 September. That will we have mentioned here on the website as well, so that you mention the same session here. Now click on next. Have you completed, are you completing undergraduate degree in Australia, for example, bachelor's? So no, we are not in Australia. Have you completed or completing undergraduate degree overseas? So yes. Did you complete any research units in your final? Yes. Have you completed a master's degree? So no, we are not. Have you completed a master's degree by coursework? As of now, not. Do you have research experience to meet? Yes. Then click on next. Then you have to upload your files here. Please include your research experience form, and you can see the form is here, and research experience. So you have to upload a research proposal here in the PDF single, and you have to browse it here. So let me upload my file, and once you upload it, it will take some time. Then click on next. Now you have to agree to terms and conditions here. So this is page 11 of 11, and you have to click on submit. And this information should match your documents, like your degree certificates previously you have, your passport, and all the information that you have mentioned on the admission form to the same university. So you can see our submission ID is here. You can keep the reference of this, and you'll also receive an email regarding the submission. Here you go. Thank you for your submission, and your application number is mentioned here. Equivalent scholarships. Let me just again refresh. Okay, that's the simple process you have to fill, or you can check out the RTP application award timeline. They clearly mention you here, and if you have any confusions, they have the guidelines on how to apply, how to commence. So RTP form is given here, and prior to this you should have submitted the admission form for the research programs of this. So you can see international students here, or you can directly go to the home page of the University of Sydney, go to research, you can see, or you can go to study, this page here, study options, postgraduate or research. You can directly click on that, and how to apply for postgraduate research, click on this, and you can see international student applications, click on applying here, and you can see submit application, find your course to apply. So you can find different courses which you wish to apply, and international select here, then select the research. You can see masters of masters programs with research will be there as well, and you can select postgraduate as well. For example, you will to go for this masters of digital health and data science. So select the program here, and simply select the year, or select you are an international student, select this one here, and once you select this, you click on get started. So this will continue to fill your application form for the admissions 2026. You have to select which year you wish to enroll, and the details about the program will be all here. So on the top right you can see apply now button, click on this apply now button. This is the process for the admission you have to do first, then only you can submit the RTP scholarship form. So this is the domestic, international applicants are not exempt from this, and here you have to mention, click on international apply now, and then new applicant enroll here, your first name, last name, your date of birth, all this, create a password here, and simply log in. That's the basic simple application here that you have to complete. In case you have any confusion submitting the form for the admission, ask us in the comment section below. And any confusion in submitting the scholarship application form, still you can ask us directly on our website fullscholarships.net, or on our Instagram. You can message our team, ask for the link, ask for the doubts. So everything you should do, but before that you should remember to subscribe and follow, because if you write comment without subscribing, it goes to spam section and we are unable to answer them. Likewise, if you follow on Instagram, directly message us, it doesn't go to spam, it goes to primary inbox. So first and foremost step is website fullscholarships.net, then Instagram, then comment section below. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Keep visiting our website fullscholarships.net. Have a nice day ahead.